it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi cousin social media planner for the week of July 21st through the 26th using the tropical Christmas kit from SammyLynnPlanning for Christmas in July. Now, I know this video is a little late. It's honestly because I was waiting for this specific package from SammyLynnPlanning, but it's here now and we are very excited about it. I am so excited to use this kit for July. This is one of those kits where you see it and you're like, oh my gosh, this is perfect for like a tropical Christmas, and that's what this kit is called. It's called Tropical Christmas, and it's from SammyLynnPlanning. I really love it. I think it's perfect for a like Florida or Georgia or like southern state that doesn't really get snow or like really cold weather during Christmas, but this is for Christmas in July for me because I thought it was just perfect. So this is the Hobonichi cousin kit that she has. I love it. She has it in all different kinds, but you get this version with the thin strips. You get more washi here and your to-do and today's. Then you get some other thin strips of washi. You have the days of the week, more washi, and then you have more washi boxes, and then the deco. And you guys know how much I love SammyLynnPlanning's kits, so of course we have to use it. I probably won't need it, but just in case I do, I am going to bring in some of this grid blue washi, and this is what it looks like. It is literally just blue grid. Why is it focusing on my hands and not the grid? There we go. That's what it looks like. So I have that just in case I need it, but y'all, I've used SammyLynnPlanning's kits in my planners before. I did the summer barbecue collection in my planners a couple weeks ago, so that is something else that you guys can see if you wanted to see how I did it. I believe it was literally not last week but the week before. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are starting with Monday. I'm going to move the deco to the side because we won't need that right now. And we're going to start with this here. Sorry if there is glaze on my fingers, by the way. I have just finished glazing some polymer clay stuff, which you guys will see a video of that later this week. No, probably not this week, maybe next week. I don't remember when I have it on my schedule, but it's sometime in the beginning of August that you guys will see that video. But yeah, that's why I have glaze all over my fingers. So sorry. So you guys, it is Christmas in July. How do you feel? Do you celebrate Christmas in July? Oh, side note, guys, I also found out where did it go? I lost the piece. Where did it go that had, did I lose something? Pretty sure I did. Oh, it's right here. These, okay, these guys, these are not, so I'm going to show you what I did in my other page so you can see my silliness. So I used these for my to-do and today's. That's actually not what they're for. I finally was like looking at SammyLynnPlanning's videos or pictures, and they're actually for this, to cover up these little things. So in case you didn't know, that's what they're for. I'm not going to use them for that. I'm actually going to do the same thing that I did last time. And what was I doing? Oh my gosh, y'all, I was doing something. Oh, this. This is what happens. My brain is all kinds of whack. I just got back from the grocery store, so my brain is not working right, as per usual. So, I mean, are we really surprised? Probably not. But, anyways, are you guys excited for Christmas in July? Do you celebrate it? What do you do if you celebrate Christmas in July? I am super excited that I'm actually able to celebrate Christmas in July this year. My mom always has celebrated Christmas in July, like all the time. And I always thought it was so funny and so fun for her. So this is the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. Okay, so we want this for the 25th because Christmas trees and fun. Hopefully I didn't go too far, but if I did, oh well. And then I'm going to do this for the side. I'm just doing this because I want to make sure I don't use up the fun little Christmassy things before Oh gosh, Megan. Ugh. Okay, where's, I already forgot what day this is. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It is Friday. Okay, now you can add this. So there we go. Now we have Christmas, and then we're gonna put Christmas Eve, even though it's not actually Christmas Eve. You guys know what I'm talking about. You understand. Okay, and then this would be Thursday. All right, and then we'll use the snowman for, well, yeah, we'll use the snowman for Thursday, for Christmas Eve, Christmas and July Eve. And we'll use these for, oh, oops, okay, my bad. We're gonna use these for the top. Again, Christmas and July Eve. How's this go? I guess it doesn't matter. That's fun. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Okay, because I already pulled it up. Let's use a snowman. Why not? Why not? This is so freaking cute, you guys. I'm obsessed. Love how this turned out. Even though it's not even done, I still love it. Let's use the gingham. Whoops. I will add the deco in a second. I actually really don't think I'm going to need that washi that I pulled out, but I'll have it just in case. I might still use it because this is such a cute spread and it's so adorable that I'm just going to do whatever I want. We'll use this one. Well, oh no, we're gonna use it there. So we use our stripies for here. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Don't tell me you don't think this is adorable, because you'd be lying. It's cute. We all know it's cute. All right, Wednesday. Oh Lord. And boop. Okay. What stripey side do we want to use? I think I want to use the seashell. Oh Lord, I'm ripping everything. What is happening to me? That's fun. Okay, and then we're gonna do Saturday. Now we don't have Sunday on here because the next page would have to be the same as this one in order for it to make sense for me. So I will save my Sunday script for something else. And we have to figure out what bottom, oh look, I'm almost on that page. What bottom wash we want to use. I'm thinking we can switch it up, right? So let's do stripies at the bottom. And then we're gonna do oceany fun across the side. And we'll do the snowman for the top part. Cute! And then if you remember my other video where I did all of the, I had an extra day, I'm going to do the same thing with this day because I have extra washi, so I'm just going to stick this here and I will use it for a daily page. So that works out. Move that to the side, move this up to the side, and we're going to go back and add the deco. Should probably add the boxes first, right? That would be helpful. Where is my mini planner to figure out what we're posting today? So Monday, I have a reel or a YouTube short coming out because I was going to have this video come out on Monday, but I don't think it's going to come up in time. So I'm going to have it go up on Tuesday if it will. The internet is incredibly, ridiculously slow here, so I don't know if it's going to go up, but we will try. So we're going to try and have our oops, that's not the right one I wanted to use. We're going to try and have this video come up on Tuesday. So that's the plan. Wednesday, I have my my health and wellness video. I almost said social media, LOL. My health and wellness video is going out here. Just gonna use that for that. Thursday is going to be my flower letters video, which has already been loaded onto YouTube and it is ready to go. So that's gonna go up on Thursday. 25th is going to be my Christmas in July planning video. Let me use this. Okay. And then I don't have another post-it box, but I have some in my reusable sticker book, so I will just use that instead. Found one. Okay. My social media video is going out on Saturday, hopefully, if I can make sure that it goes out at the proper time. So there is all of those. I don't know when the camera moved, but apparently it did. So sorry. Let's go back to here so we can add our deco. I think I'm gonna do this here and food, because obviously is gonna go here. We're gonna put her here and the gingerbread man over here, and then she's gonna go here, and I think we're gonna do the Christmas tree right there. And I want these denim pants. I don't know why they're in here, but you know, they're cute. We're gonna put them here on Monday because I don't think there's gonna be a lot going on. Now it is time for our to-do lists. Once again, I'm using, I don't know where my tweezers just went. I just now had them. I literally told myself, don't put these away because you're gonna need these, and I don't know where they went. This is what happens, you know. That's okay. I have a backup pair that we will use instead. We're going to use the little thingies that are supposed to go over here. We're going to use these for our to-do lists. This one is going to say to do. And then this one over here is going to say today, because I have a lot of things that need to be done on Monday, which is actually today, but not too much that needs to be done on Tuesday. I'm going to do another to-do list on Thursday. Where did those? There they are. They were right in front of me. So I'm going to put our to-do list up here this time. And then I don't think we're going to need a today list for Wednesday. We are going to need a today list for Saturday. So let's do, we'll do it up here again because I like doing it at the top. All right. I think, you guys, I think we are good. I will put these in my reusable sticker book, and then all we have left is this, which is something that I can use in a daily page, so I'm not really too worried about that. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my social media planner using the Hobonichi Cousin Daily Page Kit from SammyLynnPlanning. I forgot to mention, I am on SammyLynnPlanning's PR team, so if you use my code Megan20, it will save you 20% off of your order, and you will receive my freebie. I don't have my current freebie. I never do. I always forget to place my PR order for the month and always forget about it, but this is what it looks like, so it's very pretty. If you're watching this after the month of July, then I have a new PR freebie, so definitely keep an eye out on my Instagram for the new one. But I really hope you guys like this. I love this kit. I love the spread. It is absolutely adorable, and I think it turned out perfect for Christmas in July. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a snowman emoji if you made it this far in the video so that I know that you watched it all the way through. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful July, a wonderful end of July, or a wonderful Christmas in July if you celebrate it. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys.